Well, hello everyone. We got ourselves a fresh to the floor. This is a brand new model this year. It is a Heritage, but this is called the Heritage Solo for obvious reasons. It has a solo seat on it. We'll start in the front, work our way to the back. Got the mag wheels on there in black front end. This is dark billiard gray for the color. Then we have LED headlights and turn signals. The Solo does not come with a windshield on it, but it does have a 117 cubic inch motor with 6-speed transmission. Solo seat, of course, hence the name Solo. We have ABS, security, cruise control, traction control, cornering ABS, cornering traction control. You also have the ride modes on here too. So with a touch of a button, you can go rain mode, road mode, or sport mode. Naturally, the lockable saddlebags, and they are more of a hard case, um, at least in the inside. The outside still kind of makes it look like the leather bags. Got all LEDs out back too, from the turn signals to the brake lights. Pretty sweet. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson. We're at 1966 Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a shout at 920-498-8822.